The year is 2023. The world is in a state of disarray. The plural pronoun is being used as a singular. Or is it plural? The answer probably won't shock you. It's sometimes. Brilliant work again, Camilla. Thanks, Camilla. Anyways, what is singular they? Well, fuck you. I'm not answering that shit now. Sorry, I will. I'll bring in the gay clone of me to explain while I sleep. Gay clone, to you. Hey, is the mic on? Yes, the mic's on. Alrighty. Singular they is a pronoun used neutrally for a person who doesn't like masculine or feminine pronouns. Can you keep it down? I have a hangover. He's pathetic. Anyways, that's basically it. Just a neutral pronoun, not sure why it's controversial. Don't worry, I have more. Fuck coffee drinkers. Anyway, what she said was true. Now to the controversy. Basically, while people will enjoy using singular they, others think it's dumb and stupid, and said those only two of the professional nouns. Clearly, there's one side that's stupid, and it's me. No, not the self-deprecating shit, it's the angry people. If you disagree with me, I don't care. Let people be called what they want to be called unless they drink coffee. Anyway, back to the main questions. When? Well, it dates back to 1375 or something, if you trust a dictionary not written by me. Something about a guy named William, I forgot. Real use of it dates back to the 19th century, however, when it became sometimes accepted. Now it's accepted by the majority of the time, except by conservative coffee enthusiasts. Now to the final question. Why? Because people can. What? Need a better response? Fine. It makes people happy to be called they, and also helps when the person you are mentioning's gender is ambiguous. There, happy? Thank you for watching the first real video on this channel. I hope you learned something. You probably didn't. Now fuck off.